Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am healer Rajendran from VJ Acupuncture and Varma Therapy, KK Nagar West, Chennai 78. This video we will discuss about an outline of what is constipation, how to feel it, and how to overcome constipation with simpler food habits. Constipation is generally considered as the mother of all the problems, so we need to be more worried about overcoming the constipation in the first place. In my clinic, whenever a patient arrives at, one of the important questions I ask is that, do you have constipation? Particularly when this question is being asked, people are always little bit feeling shy and try to give very evasive replies. The typical replies I get are like this. Say, no, I don't have. Other person, no, generally I visit toilet every day. Some people say, no, after a puff of smoke, I visit the toilet and there are no issues with it. And still interesting answers comes up like, I go to the toilet with a daily newspaper, sit and read the entire paper. To the extent of time I sit, I completely clear my bowel. So all such answers indicate that the person replying has a form of constipation. Why are we so particular about constipation in the first phase? In the acupuncture, there is an Indian acupuncture variant which has incorporated a special principle that ways are the reasons for abnormalities or imperfections in the human body, and if waste elimination is done properly, there is no disease in particular. So under that principle, constipation is one of the disorders which falls well within the ambit of waste elimination. So in such a case, we look at more on how to identify and feel that whether a person has constipation really. If the person has to spend excessively longer time inside the restroom for clearing the bowels, or having the need to visit the restroom or toilet only 2 to 3 times in a week, and whenever there is a bowel discharge, the person feels itchy, painful at the anus, or even the bowel comes out sometimes with the blood stains, or still worse cases, there is a need to have laxatives compulsorily every night so that the next day bowel discharge can be easier. If the person has got any one or even more of these conditions, it implies that there is a issue of constipation with the people. Now, how to avoid constipation? By the general food habits, it's better to have all the high fiber vegetables and fruits and a good amount of exercise every day. And along with this, particularly the people need to be sure that if the reduction of low fiber items like the meat or the packed foods are all being reduced, then people would find it easier to overcome the issue of constipation. The figure shows the various acupressure points which can be activated for treating constipation. The left topmost point is 4 finger widths away from the crease of the hand, where in that region you can apply pressure for 1 or 2 minutes. Similar way, the top right hand side corner is on the leg, where when you put your finger on the kneecap, wherever the ring finger touches, that particular point can be identified as this point where the pressure can be applied. And 2 points in the stomach are shown in the below bottom images. One is 2 inches below the navel, another is 4 inches above the navel on the central line. By applying pressure in these points also, the constipation can be treated well. But you need to be more clear that only an acupuncture healer can identify for the type of or the reason for your constipation and identify a right point to be activated. Thank you. Thank you for hearing to us. This is our address where if you type VJ Acupuncture and Varma Therapy KK Nagar in Google, you can identify and search for the directions to our clinic. Thank you.